So, Ted, did you know that today is National Insurance Awareness Day?
I'm not surprised. I mean, there's a National Pajama Day, so why not an insurance day?
It's true.
So thinking back, do you remember when we first joined the insurance world?
That was a long, long time ago. That was quite a bit ago. We were in our 20s and we were freelancing and you joined Minette first.
That's right.
And then I joined and
that's when we got our first taste of insurance, and we took it from there.
It's interesting because we had come from banking, a very corporate section of banking, the finance division. And when we first joined Minette, it was pretty cool because it was still corporate, but it was more like family. It was really tight unit. And the minute I got there, I was like, this is where I want to be.
You know, it's so interesting because prior to that, it seems like insurance is such a well-kept secret because nobody knows exactly what the industry is made of. All you think is of an insurance salesman when you hear insurance, and it really touches in every area. And there are so many different jobs in the industry. So it's interesting that we went through all of that. We get introduced to the insurance industry through Minette, and then all of a sudden we discover that there are all these different types of jobs in this industry, and it runs the gamut.
Yeah, I mean, you know, my first experience was in risk consulting, and I just absolutely loved the team I was in, and it made me decide to go to the College of Insurance and get my degree in risk management, and the rest is kind of history. You know, we started, you were in the communications department, and I just absolutely loved it. Once I got my degree in risk management, I moved on to regulatory compliance. And you and I kept talking about starting our own business for years before we actually did it. But once we did it, just through our clients, we have gotten to learn so much about the insurance industry, not just licensing, but we've learned about weather insurance.
Wait a minute, I had never heard of pet insurance.
Pet insurance, fertility insurance.
Fertility insurance.
And of course, so much of that falls in the surplus lines industry, but all the hard to place risk, like football players' legs or, it's just so interesting what we've learned from all of our clients.
I mean, even prior to coming to insurance, I had heard about, athletes and stars insuring, their hands, like Liberace and things like that. So I kind of had an idea of what was out there, but not to the extent that we have discovered over the years. I mean, and we have been able to, as a result, really have a thriving business and travel throughout the United States and meet some amazing people in so many different levels and in so many different areas of insurance, whether it be IT, new technology, it just runs the gamut.
Yeah, and talk about travel. I mean, it's not like we're in the oil field. We're going to some of the nicest places in the United States. We've been to Park City, Utah. We've been to Lake Tahoe. We're getting ready to go there again for the Western States Surplus Lines Law Conference. We've gotten to go to just about every state in the United States, and we've gotten to now live in beautiful Puerto Rico, in the Caribbean, all while servicing our clients all throughout the U.S. So it's pretty cool.
For sure, insurance has been really good for us.
The other thing is I would really want to take this opportunity on National Insurance Awareness Day to talk about our upcoming summit, which is the Worldwide Circle of Insurance Professionals Summit that we're going to be a part of and we're going to be instrumental in putting out there in the fall. And it's really to teach a lot of what is the core of our industry, which is the producer, how to take it to a next level, whether the producer is a traditional broker or whether they're an insurtech startup. It's going to be so cool to be a part of this. And
a complete education on regulatory compliance.
Yeah, and then right after that, we're going to be launching several of our online courses that are going to be just for insurance professionals. So that's really cool. I'm so excited about it.
Hey, I hope you really enjoyed this video.
It is about to rain here in Puerto Rico. So hurry up, join us on YouTube, subscribe today.